In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a world map in Microsoft Word. This is a simple and quick method that doesn't require any additional software or downloads, and it works on both Windows and Mac versions of Word. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to insert a detailed world map directly into any of your Word documents. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer. You can open a new blank document or any existing file where you want the world map to appear. Once your document is ready, the next step is to use a special keyboard shortcut that allows Word to generate symbols and maps directly. Place your cursor where you want the world map to be inserted. Now, type the following sequence of characters exactly as I demonstrate. 1 F5FA. After typing this, immediately press the Alt key and the X key at the same time. Word will automatically convert the typed characters into a world map. If it doesn't appear perfectly the first time, simply repeat the process. Type 1F5FA again and press Alt and X together once more. This should reliably generate the map every time. This method works because Microsoft Word recognizes certain Unicode characters and symbols that can be inserted using this type of shortcut. It's a quick and efficient way to add a map without having to search for images online or deal with resizing and formatting issues. Once the map appears, you can adjust its size just like any other Word object. Simply click on the map and drag the corners to resize it while maintaining its proportions. You can also apply Word's formatting tools to change the appearance, such as adding borders or shadows, to make it fit seamlessly into your document. And that's all there is to it. With this simple keyboard shortcut, you can easily add a world map to any Word document in just a few seconds. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial like this.